Welcome to our tutorial on creating your own tokens on the FX Core and Zeta Chain networks using the MarginX Token Factory. In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process, from connecting your wallet to managing your token roles. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will help you create tokens quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, visit deploy.marginx.io, our Token Factory website. The ERC20 Token Factory currently supports two chains, FX Core and Zeta Chain, including both their testnets and mainnets. Ensure that your wallet is connected to the correct chain for deploying your tokens. For this tutorial, we'll be using MetaMask on the FX Core mainnet. Select MetaMask from the wallet options. A MetaMask pop-up will appear. Click Next to grant permissions and then Confirm to connect. Once connected, you'll see your FX balance displayed at the top. Make sure you're connected to the correct chain before moving forward and have some FX in your wallet to pay for gas fees. Now, let's create our token. In the Create interface, start by entering the basic details of your token. For the token name, we'll use AI Potato with the symbol AIPTO. Next, you can customize the token decimals. By default, this is set to 18 decimals, but you can change it by toggling the Custom Token Decimals option. For this example, we'll keep it at the default value. In the next section, you can customize wallet roles and token transfer settings. By default, all administrative roles and created tokens are assigned to the wallet address of the connected wallet. In our case, the MetaMask address. If you want to assign different roles such as admin, minter, pauser, or upgrader to different wallets, you can enter those addresses here. You can do this even after creating tokens. So for now, let's leave it to default settings. Finally, enter the initial supply of your tokens. For this example, we'll set it to 500,000 tokens. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, you're ready to create your token. When you're ready, click Send to create your token and confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Once confirmed, your token will be created within a couple of seconds. After successful creation, you will receive a pop-up displaying the contact address of your token, along with an option to add the newly created token to your wallet. Click Add to MetaMask to do so. Make sure to copy and save the contract address for future reference. If you don't see the success message, you can manually add the token by searching for it using the contract address. You will also receive a full transaction receipt once the token is successfully created. You can provide liquidity to your token on MarginX DEX using the link below. Next, we'll add more details to our newly created token, such as a token image. Navigate to the Token Details page from the top menu. Here, you can either select your token from the drop-down menu or manually enter your contract address. Both methods work. Once selected, click View to see the token details. Below these fields, you can upload a token image and add your official website and Twitter URL. These details will be displayed in the token contract and on the MarginX token profile page. For this example, I will leave the website and Twitter URL blank. For the image, you can upload a 256 by 256 pixel file with a size under 20 kilobytes. Once uploaded, it may take some time for the details to process, usually around 24 hours. You can proceed with your next tasks while this is happening. After completing these steps, you can add liquidity to your token on MarginX DEX to make it available for trading. Adding liquidity is crucial to allow others to trade your token on the decentralized exchange. We'll cover the specifics of adding liquidity in a separate guide. Now, let's interact with our token. In the Interact with your token section, you can manually check token balances, mint new tokens, send tokens, or even burn them. For example, if you want to check the AIPTO balance of any wallet, enter the address here. In this example, I'm going to enter the current admin wallet address and click Reload. Below, you will see the total AIPTO balance, which in this case is 500,000. Similarly, if you want to burn 100,000 tokens, simply enter the amount, click Send, and confirm the transaction in MetaMask. You can then check the updated balance to ensure the tokens were burned successfully. If you want to mint more tokens, enter the wallet address where you want to mint the tokens. Again, for this example, I am going to enter the current admin wallet address, specify the amount, and click Send. After confirming the transaction, the new tokens will be added to the specified wallet. Likewise, you can transfer tokens to other wallets by entering the recipient's address and the amount you wish to send. Lastly, let's explore how to manage roles using the Role Manager. If you didn't assign roles when you initially created the token, you can do so here. Enter your wallet address, select a role from the drop-down menu, and check the current status. If your wallet has the role, it will return true. To grant a role to another wallet, select the role, enter the wallet address, and click Send. Confirm the transaction, and the role will be granted to the specified wallet. Note, only wallets with the admin role can perform this function. If you need to renounce a role, for example, if you no longer want to mint tokens, select the role, enter your wallet address, and click Send. This will remove the role from your wallet. On the other hand, if you need to revoke a role from another wallet entirely, select the role, enter the wallet address you wish to revoke, and click Send. Confirm the transaction, and the role will be permanently revoked. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and manage your own tokens on FX Core and Zeta Chain using the MarginX Token Factory. Whether it's assigning roles, minting tokens, or interacting with your token, you now have the tools to take full control of your token creation process. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on how to get the most out of your token on the FX network.